have to file a complaint. We have to file a counter affidavit without doing those procedure process. Here we are being issued a warrant of arrest, a questionable warrant of arrest. Ano naman ito, sir?
There's naman doon, blooper, puro pagdating sa trial dyan, tatawagin kita sa witness stand. Sabihin ko, you're the person who arrested me. May I know the reason why? Have you read the documents? Or at least, have you read the case at that time when you made the arrest? So that you would be guided to what you should know. Yan lang yan. Kaibigan tayo, galing ako gobyerno.